Hello fellow developers and welcome down the Click, the series where I show off helpful click animation tips in a short amount of time. Today we're going to be going over custom animation speeds for your objects and other stuff. So let's get started. So first you're going to tab onto your app, then head into your frame. Before we go over how to do a custom speed, I'm going to show you why you might want one. For this demonstration, we're going to use Flowey's side stalks from Undertale as an example because they have a lot of frames and they move really fast. I already have all the frames imported, as you can see right here. And also, as you can see, it's at the max speed that it can go. It can't go any higher. And it's already set to loop. And if I show you, you can see that it doesn't really go very fast. I mean, it's decently fast, but it's not as fast as we want it. But we can fix that. First, you're going to head over here, and we're going to insert two alterable values. The first one we're going to call anim frame, and the second one we're going to call anim speed. And then we're going to go over to the event editor. We're going to add a new condition, start a frame, and we're going to need a couple actions here to make this happen. First, animation, stop. We need to stop the animation. Then we're going to add alterable value, set. We're going to set anim speed. You can set this to whatever you want. For purposes of this, I'm going to set it to 40 for now. And then we add animation change, animation frame to it needs to be a really high number for this I'm going to use 1,000. This may seem confusing, but I'm about to show you why. Because then we need to go alterable values set. We need to set the frame, high opposite speed. We need to set anim frame to animation current frame. Now that we have all that set up, we need to go to new condition. Always animation change, animation frame. Now this is like a medium-sized expression, so feel free to pause if you need to follow. I can't speak. Feel free to pause if you need to. So for the equation we're going to use, we need parenthesis timer times multiple value anim speed times 0.001 parenthesis quad parenthesis multiple values anim frame parenthesis. Now this should work if I just open this up. You can see that it's moving. However, it's a bit slow right now, but we can change that. Let's set anim speed to 100. And if I run, you see, it's already a bit faster than the default animation. But we can go even farther. I can go to all the way up to 1,000, for instance. If I run, it's zooming on by, zoom, 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 all over the place. So that's really all you need to know. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this very short On the Click episode. Be sure to check out the rest of my playlist if you want to know other tips, and let me know in the comments if you need any help and have any other suggestions for videos I want to do. But yeah, that's everything. See y'all later.